Today we are going to make, now you got to believe this, we're going to make waffle and eggs in the waffle maker. Yes, we are. Okay? I'm going to show you how to do it. It's going to be fun, it's going to be exciting and different. Why not have fun? That's my motto, cooking is fun. So please support us on Patreon. All right, so we're gonna make some waffles. Oh, you're gonna love it. Please remember, you gotta subscribe, tap that bell, make it ring, and of course, let me know your comments. Let me know if you haven't made anything in a waffle iron because this is gonna be fun. First of all, I'm gonna add a little bit of spray. I got my waffle iron preheated. A little spray there, a little spray there. Okay, and I've got my wonderful Belgian waffle batter. Now, I'm going to put the recipe for the Belgian waffle batter right down below, so you want to check that out. So we're going to make our waffles first, then we're going to cook up our eggs right here in the same waffle maker. Yes, oh indeed. Get it all in there. Spread it around, spread the love. Yep. Okay, let's put it down and give it about 2 minutes and we'll have some waffle. Okay, I heard the beeper go off. And our waffle is ready. All right, come on out. Say hello. Look at that. Look, look, look. Isn't that beautiful? Gorgeous. Wow. Smells good. But now we're going to cook some eggs, okay? So, again, I'm going to hit it with a little bit of spray. We're going to break some eggs. We're going to put one egg in each side. One. Whoa. 2, 3, 4, and a little salt and pepper, of course. Got to season up our eggs. And down she goes. Fried eggs a la waffle machine. Okay, this has been in just about a minute. Look at our eggs, beautiful color. A little bit of runny in the middle, just a little bit, and we're going to take them out. We'll have to separate them by each quarter. But don't they look good? Look, one there. One there. Seasoned with salt and pepper. Just ready for the party. Wow, how easy is this to cook your breakfast one after the other? Wonderful. All right, come on out. One more. There it is, right here. That is it, look. Waffle and eggs in our waffle iron. Hey, please subscribe. We've got some more wonderful, great videos to share with you. Please also tap that bell, make it ring, and let me know in your comment what you think about this. I put a little bit of sausage on there because I like to make it a perfect breakfast. You may want different things as well. When you support us on Patreon, you are going to get exclusive content, early access, behind the scenes, and much, much more. No ads, especially. So thank you very much for subscribing. And you know that it's always simple. And in this case, very delicious. All right, let's dig in.
Yeah, let's try it.
Andrew and I are going to just check this out and see.
Oh, wow. This is an awesome creation. Well, I thought of it.
I'm glad you thought of it. I am too. This is so good. Yeah.
If you've never made this, you got to try this.
We got
this tiny waffle iron, 4 eggs, Belgian waffles, some great sausage. What a great combination. Oh, wow. That's good. What do you think?
Well,
That is delicious.
we'll put the recipe for our Belgian waffles if you're going to want to do that. They're the best Belgian waffles ever. They're made with a yeast batter. You're going to love it. It's easy to do. We're going to make it happen for you. Not only for that, we're going to make something else happen for you. Tell them what we're going to do, Andrew.
Check this out. See this apron, the ones that we're wearing, we're going to give them away. All you need to do is subscribe. For every 50 subscribers, we're going to pick one person. We'll contact you, and if you put your name and that you subscribe, we'll pick you out. One for every 50 subscribers. We'll mail this to you absolutely free.
That's right. It's going to be, and you can wear it in Chef Don, and we'll cook together because we've got so many more recipes. Thank you. Oh,
Yeah, we'll try this again.
oh, well, yeah. Why not?
I
I mean, it's good for dinner time as well as breakfast. I think.
why
Yeah.
not?
Yeah, that's good. All right, so, wow, what a treat! What a treat!
That was so good.
And easy, really easy to do. We got to come up with some combinations now.
Yeah.
We'll be working on that. We'll get back to you guys on that. We'll show you some more different combinations, and maybe put in the comment what you'd like to know. We'll try it, and we'll see how it turns out.
And let us know if you found Luigi in our videos. In every video we hide Luigi somewhere in this kitchen, in the shot. All you need to do is let us know in the comments did you see him. He's really cool. Our little buddy Luigi.
Our
See you in
kitchen
the next
god.
video.